In today's video, I'll show you how to add contacts in Yahoo Mail so their details are saved and ready whenever you need them. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Yahoo Mail website. Sign in to your account and wait for your inbox to load. Once you're inside your inbox, look on the right side of the screen for the contacts icon. It usually looks like a small person's silhouette in the side panel. Click it to open your contacts list. In the contacts panel, click Add a new contact or the plus icon. A form will appear where you can enter the person's information. At minimum, enter their name and email address. You can also add a phone number, company name, job title, or notes if you'd like. Double check the email address for spelling to avoid future sending errors. When you're finished, click Save. The new contact will now appear in your contact list. The next time you compose an email, simply start typing their name in the To field and Yahoo Mail will automatically suggest the saved contact. That's it. You've successfully added a contact in Yahoo Mail.